Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a task template in Zoho Projects. All right. You actually have a ton of options. Okay. So first up, you can use a certain project, okay, which you can go ahead and create a project template, and the list or the task list will be included as well. Also, you have this option or trick where you can go ahead over to your tasks right here. For example, we're going to go ahead and select the filter right here, filter by project, for example, YouTube project. Find. So here are the tasks within the specific project right here. So what you'll do is just go ahead and click on three dots and export the task. Okay. I have exported it earlier, so it will save us some time. So what you'll do is just go ahead and go to projects and select the specific project where you wanted to import the exported tasks. Okay. For example, we have here this XYZ. I'm going to access the project. Like so, and as you can see here, I don't have any task in here. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and click on the three dots again and import tasks. Okay. And here I'm going to go ahead and select XLS or XLSX. Or if you have exported the task into a CSV file, you can go ahead and select CSV and just drop it right here. Okay. Once that's done, click on import. And I can't import it because I'm just using the free version of Zoho Projects. But in the next page, once you click on import, you just have to map the correct columns. Okay, it's pretty easy. Just map it, and once done, again, review your import and hit on done. And after that, all your tasks will be transferred to the new project. Okay, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.